Hi, I'm Dr. Jeffrey Riopelle from Riopelle Cosmetic Surgery and Laser Center. And I'd like to talk to you a little bit about having cosmetic surgery and our philosophy. I'm a cosmetic surgeon and have been performing cosmetic surgery for many years now. Our philosophy here at Riopelle Cosmetic Surgery and Laser Center is to try to do minimally invasive and minimal downtime procedures and to improve looks and appearance in such a way. If we look at movie stars nowadays, some of the movie stars that are best preserved, that look the best, are those who've done treatment after treatment, time after time, over many, many years, and have never had the major cosmetic surgeries such as tummy tuck or facelift, because those procedures, although they're excellent when one reaches a certain stage, they do have their drawbacks. There's downtime to them, there's potential side effects and much more risks to those procedures. And also one can only have, for example, so many facelifts. If you have a facelift, it actually stretches and tightens the skin, but because the skin is being stretched, it actually thins the skin over time. And that's why if someone has had, say, 2 facelifts, or especially 3, one does not look very natural anymore. So I usually tell patients that I'd recommend limiting it in a lifetime to 1 facelift. And for the most part, the rest of the time, you're going to want to do procedures that don't stretch the skin as much. We have many, many no downtime procedures in our office. We have approximately 15 laser and cosmetic procedures for doing pretty much everything for pretty much every individual without the major surgeries such as a facelift or a tummy tuck. So let's talk a little bit first about the face. Well, for the face we have thermage. Thermage is a skin tightening procedure that's non-invasive, has no downtime, fairly painless to do. And basically, if one can do a thermage every 6 months to 2 to 3 years to improve texture of the skin, to improve the tightness, and to create some lifting of the skin. Another procedure we have is the CO2 fractional treatment. Now, many people have fine lines, wrinkles, irregular skin color, and contour and texture. This is one of the 3 parts of aging. There are really 3 parts to aging. The thermage treats the lifting portion, which is the same thing that really a facelift treats. That's all a facelift does treat, is simply lifting the skin. For the surface of the skin, we need something to resurface, and that's where we use the fractional CO2 or sometimes the IPL photofacial or Genesis treatment. We also have portrait. So again, we have multiple technologies, and our goal is to try to find the best technology for you. If all you have is a hammer as a physician, everything tends to look like a nail. In our case, it's just the opposite. We have many, many technologies that we can use for many patients. So our goal when you come in is to do an overall assessment and see what is it you exactly need. For example, some people just need lifting. In that case, it may be the thermage. It may also be the thread procedure, which we perform, the silhouette suture or thread procedure. For other people, it may be volume. Some people have sinking instead of sagging. And in that case, we have various fillers we can use, or Sculptra, which stimulates collagen growth. Sort of like filling up the balloon when the balloon has deflated. So if one looks hollow in the cheeks and sort of has sagging down here from that hollowness, we can fill up that hollowness in order to recreate the volume to make one look much more youthful. Another technique we use for lifting is the threadless thread lift, also called the Riopelle thread lift. This thread lift simply involves threading the skin with filler, not with suture. So we're not using suture. It's non-invasive except that it involves an injection. And we actually thread the skin to lift the skin. And we can create quite a good lift of the cheeks, the jowls, even occasionally the brows and the neck using the threadless thread lift. So again, that's another option. And that would be for the sagging of the skin. So really, if you look at yourself in the mirror, try to determine what, and we'll help you with this, this is where we come in, but try to determine what it is that you have that's causing your aging. Is it surface conditions, brown spots, wrinkles, fine lines, redness? Is it sagging, jowls, nasolabial folds, sunken eyebrows? Or is it sinking, hollow cheeks, hollow nasolabial folds, hollowness here, hollowness in the temple, hollowness around the eyes? And by looking at yourself in that way, you can determine what it is you need for enhancing your beauty and making you look more youthful. And as I say, our specialty is to help you look at those three areas and determine what it is. Some people just need one, some people need two, some people need all three addressed. And so by coming in for a consultation with us, we'll sit down with you, we'll do a full analysis of your face and determine what things will work best for you. And as I say, we have many, many options and can mix and match those options with our many years of experience over the years to perform just the right procedure for you so that you get what you pay for. You get the good results that you're looking for to make you look more youthful now, but also to create a program for you over the years to keep you looking more youthful. Most of our patients are repeat customers who've been coming to us for 5, 6, 7, 8 years and come to us on a periodic basis, both for maintenance and for improvement in their youthful appearance. And this is our goal, to bring you in, help you out, and keep you as a patient long term. So we encourage you to come into our office. Please give us a call at 925-275-9333. Thank you very much.